everyone, welcome back to my channel DigiPrits, where I help take your personal and professional skills to the next level. In today's video, we're going to talk about how a mentor can help shape your career. The reason why I'm sharing this is because I learned the importance of mentors pretty late in my career, and I wanted to share some advisory right now. If you're at the beginning of your career, or if you're at any point in time and you still don't have mentors, this is your calling. So with that, let's get started with our video. So you might ask, who is a mentor? A mentor is basically someone who's a little bit more senior than you, an experienced colleague of yours who helps you navigate through difficult situations that you're facing in maybe your career or in your job, and they give you like proper advisory on what is right, what is wrong based on their experience. Like they've been through the similar journey that you have been through right now, so they'll be able to help guide you much better. You can have official mentors within your organization or someone within your team, but try to find someone who's within the same field as you so that they understand what you're going through. Like, for example, if I'm in HR, then find someone within HR so that they can relate to what you're going through and be able to share the right advisory. Outside of having official mentors, you can also have unofficial mentors generally in life who help you navigate through difficult situations in life. Anything around family, anything around parenting, etc. It could be anything. Mentors can be in all forms and shapes. When we're just starting out, a mentor can really help us avoid mistakes that we would otherwise do because of not having enough experience or being like a fresher in this industry. They would have been through the same phase and help us to ensure that we don't repeat those mistakes in our journey as well. They also make sure that we don't miss out on any progressive career opportunities that we might have. So what can a mentor do for you? Let's say you're in some kind of difficult situation at work by whatever circumstances, they can help give you proper advice on how to navigate through that situation. For example, maybe a senior colleague of yours or your boss doesn't like you, they'll be able to tell you what you need to do exactly to get over such kind of a situation, because they might have been through a similar situation, or they might know of someone who was in a situation like this and how they got out of it. The second thing that they can do is they have access to a lot of opportunities that you might not have because they're a lot more senior in this field. They might know a lot of people. So in case you want to switch teams in the future or like have like plans of mobility, then they'll be able to recommend you to certain people and help you get into a new job. Also, if you have another job offer in hand and you are really confused on whether to choose that job or like decline it, your mentor can really help you make that decision because they've probably done that in the past, and they can help you in that as well. The third thing is that they can really help you point out the direction that you need to work towards, like say higher education, or you want to take some training or courses, or they really know what kind of additional skills are required for this job, what certification courses are available, and help you guide right into that direction so you don't waste enough time on searching and identifying and just planning all of these things. Now let's talk about how to find a mentor. After understanding the numerous benefits that come out of having a mentor, you also might be like, okay, let's go ahead and find a mentor for ourselves who can help guide us in the right path or direction. A lot of organizations themselves have this mentorship program where they match employees to a mentor who's a little senior to them within that field, but probably in a different team. So these kind of things might help you have like an official mentor outside of your team, and you can talk about all of the things that are going on in your life right now with respect to your career. And if not for that, you can also request your manager to help identify a mentor for you, because they know a lot of senior folks within other teams that can help guide you into the right direction. In terms of just this, you can check with your HR department if there are any such mentorship programs that you can sign up for. If your organization doesn't have a formal mentorship program, it's upon you to find the right mentor for yourself. Try to look outside of your network, immediate network, to identify a mentor. Someone within the same field would be ideal. If you're not able to find someone within the same company, another company also should be fine, but within the same field is something that's really important. Try to seek someone who is a little bit more senior than you, so their years of experience can be really valuable for you. Someone that you can probably trust, whose knowledge you rely upon, and really truly see yourself in the path of direction that they have moved in. Now let's talk about some tips to have a successful mentor-mentee relationship going on. The first thing is to identify someone who has a similar goal that you have in terms of their career, and they should be a few steps ahead of you in the career path that you both are striving towards. The second thing is to openly talk to your mentor about seeking them as a mentor and ensuring that you're able to spend that amount of time to have these kind of discussions on like a monthly forum or maybe a bi-weekly forum as well if it's required. It's important that both of you invest time into this mentorship, only then it's going to be fruitful and going to work out, because if one of you are not able to make enough time for this mentorship to work, then the other person's it's going to be really off-putting for the other person, and it'll not go really far, to be honest. The third thing is, don't wait for someone to walk up to you and offer to be your mentor. It should be your duty to go and sign up and ask someone. If you trust someone really well to be a good advisor, then you walk up to them and say, hey, can you be my mentor? I'm really looking forward to grow in this particular career path. Would you be able to advise me on these kind of things and help navigate my career into the right direction? So that should be your approach towards mentorship. Alright, that's pretty much all of the information that I wanted to share in this video with you all. I hope you found this useful and very, very informative. If you did, please make sure to share this video with some of your colleagues as well who might find this useful. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. They also make sure that we don't make any. Also, if you have another job offer in hand and you're really, or someone whom you see as an inspiration, not really like someone who's. The second thing is to openly talk about if you want to. Let's say you want to have. You see yourself in that path that